Hello my dear students, welcome to virtual online classes. Today we are going to continue our exercise 9B of complex number. Okay, today in this session we are going to learn question number 10. In question number 10, question asked to check whether this complex number is rational or not. Okay, rational means is a fraction or pure number without I. Okay, without I. Then, and in question number 12, question asked to convert this expression. Okay, this expression in the standard form of complex number. Okay, that means x plus yi. It is there in the textbook. Just read the questions. Then question number 13, if x plus yi equals to b, u plus bi, u minus bi, question asked to prove x square plus y is equals to 1 or not. Okay. Now let's solve one by one, and I will explain by solving these questions. Okay. Now let's start. For this question, we are going to do the LCM. Okay, first we will do the LCM by cross multiplication method. Look at here. Suppose A by B plus C by D there, and their LCM is A into D plus C into B given by B into D. Okay, this way we will do the same step we will use there to get the LCM. This method is called cross multiplication method. Okay, LCM by cross multiplication method. Now we will do the same thing here. Now this multiply this, that means 3 plus 2i multiply 2 plus 5i. Then plus is there. Then this multiply this, 3 minus 2i multiply 2 minus 5i. Then divided by b into d, that means b into d, 2 minus 5i multiply 2 plus 5i. Okay. Now let's multiply this numerator. Now take these 3 and multiply to both. Take these 3 and multiply to both. 2 3 is 6 plus 3 5 is 15 I. Then take these 2 and multiply to both, plus 2 to the 4, 2 to the 4 I, and 2 5 is 10 I multiply I square. Similarly multiply here, plus 3 to the 6 minus 3 5 is 15 I, and take these 2i and multiply to both, minus 4i minus plus 10i square. Now divided by the denominator. Now denominator is there, a minus b, a plus b. What is the formula of complex number when a minus b plus b is there? Let's look at here. A minus ib multiply a plus ib equals to a square plus b square. Now we use this property at denominator to get its answer. Okay. Now this is 2 square plus 5 square. Now this plus 15i minus 15i cancel because their sum is 0. Plus 4i minus 4i cancel, their sum is 0. Now 6 plus 6 12, then 10i plus 10i 20i square, 10i square plus 10i square, 20i square divided by 4 plus 25. Then what is the value of I square? The value of I square is minus 1. Now replace this I square by its value, that is minus 1. Now this is 12 minus, after using the value of I square, is minus 20 divided by 29. Then this is minus 8 divided by 29, which is a rational number. Question asked to check whether it is rational or not. It is yes, is rational number. Okay, is rational number. Question If the I is there, then it is called imaginary. If the number without I is called rational number. Now, similarly now question number 12. Question number 12, solve question 2. Okay. Before that, let me rub the board. Now, question number 12, solve question 2. Let me write the question here. 2 minus under root minus 25 divided by 1 minus under root minus 16. Now question asks to convert this expression into general form of complex number, that is x plus yi. Okay, let's simplify this one. First of all, remove this negative sign from under root. Then how to remove it? Because under root minus 1 equals to I. Okay. Otherwise, use this property minus a equals to under root ai. Now 2 minus under root 35i divided by 1 minus under root 16i, or 2 minus square root of 25 is 5i divided by 1 minus square root of 16 is 4i. Okay. If there is a complex form at the denominator, please remove it by doing rationalizing. Okay. Let's do the rationalization of denominator. 1 plus 4i divided by 1 plus 4i. Let's get the product of numerator. Let's get the product of numerator. 2 1 is 2 plus 2 4 is 8i, and minus plus minus 5i, and minus plus minus 20i I square. Now divided by a minus b, a plus b, according to the complex property, a minus b plus a minus b plus b equals to a square plus b square. That means 1 square plus 4 square. Now this is equals to 8i minus 5i, their sum is 3i. Then I square means minus 1. Now replace this I square by minus 1. That minus and this minus, their product is plus 20 divided by 1 plus 16. Now this is equals to 2 plus 20 is 22 plus 3i divided by 1 plus 16 is 17. Now question asks to write in the standard form. Let's separate the denominator for each numerator. Okay, let's separate the denominator for each numerator. Now this is equals to 22 is there. 22 by 17 plus 3 divided by 17i. Now it's converted into standard form. Okay, which is converted into x plus yi. Now first use the property of complex number. Then if the numbers complex number come at the denominator, we need to remove it by doing the rationalizing. After doing the rationalizing, whatever we get, that is our standard form of complex number. And if there is a denominator is there, just separate the denominator for each numerator. Okay. Now next question. Question number 13. Okay, let me of the board. Now question number 30. The value of x plus y is given from your question asked to prove x square plus y is equals to 1 or not. Okay, x square plus y equals to 1 or not. Okay, let me explain by solving this question. Question number 13. Let me write the question first. X plus y I equals to u plus v I divided by u minus v I. Okay. Now let's get the conjugate of this. Let's mark this is equation 1. Okay. Let's get the conjugate. Conjugate of equation 1. Conjugate means we need to change the sign of imaginary part. Okay, change the sign of imaginary part. Just look at here. Suppose z equals to 2 minus 2 plus 3i. Then conjugate of z is z bar, and this is equals to minus 2 plus 3i bar, this is equals to minus 2. And now you need to change the sign of imaginary part is minus 3i. Okay, don't change the sign of real part. Got it? This is called conjugate. Now we are going to change the sign. Let's conjugate. That means x plus yi bar equals to u plus vi bar divided by u minus vi bar. Okay. Now let's get the conjugate of this one. Just change the sign of imaginary part. That means x minus yi equal to u minus vi divided by u plus vi. Now mark this is equation 2. Now this is equation 2. Question asks to prove x square y square equals to 1 or not. Before going to do how to get that x square plus y square. Now I will give you the property. Now look at here. A plus bi multiply a minus bi. The product is according to the complex property. The product is a square plus y square. So not a square plus b square, not y square, a square plus b square. Just look at here. A plus b is there. A minus b is there. If you multiply these two, we get, if you multiply a plus b, a minus b will get a square plus b square. Now that means we need to multiply these two equations. Okay, let's multiply these two equations. Then multiplying equation 1 and 2. Okay, let's write x plus yi multiply x minus yi equals to right hand side u plus vi multiply u minus v, u plus vi vi multiply right hand side of second equation u minus vi divided by u plus vi. Now just look at right hand side. Just look at right hand side. They are almost same. That means we can cancel it. This numerator, denominator, numerator, denominator. Now let's cancel this part. This u plus bi and u plus bi get cancel because they are same. U minus bi, u minus bi cancel. Now what is left from here? According to the formula, a plus b, a minus b in the complex form equals to a square plus b square. That means x square plus y square equals to 1. Now we got the answer. Now I am requesting you, after going through these videos again and again, after understanding, please try to solve other questions from your textbook there, because there is many questions is there, because it requires regular practice. That's why if you have any problem, then WhatsApp me. I will make the video of that question in next sessions. Okay. Now we will meet in next video. Till then, take care, stay at home, stay safe, and practice.